Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to be here today because I've actually not been shooting for YouTube for a while, and I decided to shoot a video on my favorite and current products that I'm loving at the moment. So let's get into it. So the first product I'm really excited to share with all of you is a eyeshadow palette. It is created by Hindash. Hindash is an amazing makeup artist in the Middle East. I actually had the pleasure of meeting him just a few weeks ago when he was here in Los Angeles. We had lunch together. He's lovely, and I love his story. He's not just a makeup artist, he's actually also a painter. That's what he first started. He studied art, and I just find his story fascinating because I think as a painter, you really understand colors and undertones, and his palette, I always love products that are created by a makeup artist because, you know, everything just really makes sense. I love it's just the right amount of texture, and it's really, it's not too shimmery, it's not too matte, it's like the perfect combination. I love how it goes from dark to light. You can also use the shadows for contouring, so I've been using it for eye contour, for face contour. I've been using this particular shade as an eye base. I've been using this and this color as a blush. So I think it's a really beautiful palette to check out. So the next product I'm going to share with you guys is Freck. I personally love fake freckles, and this product makes it super easy to apply them. It comes in black and in brown, and it has this like pinpoint tip on the front of it, and you can just dot this product onto your face, and then you use your fingers and kind of blend it in, and it looks super natural. My daughter Valentina is obsessed with this product, so go check it out. Another amazing product that I want to share with you guys is Furtuna skincare. I'm going to share two different products that I'm loving from them at the moment. It's actually their serum. So what I love about it is that it's all clean and natural. It's made in Italy. It's really sustainable, and I love the serum. I'm a huge serum fan. I love using serums before moisturizers or oils, and I love it because it just gives you a really sort of like beautiful natural glow to your skin, and it works really, really well under makeup. And I'm always for the lookout for clean products, and in skincare I just love it when I find something that really works. So I really, really love this. And I also like another product from their line, which is their Balm, and I also really like the packaging. The Balm is, it looks like this, and I think that balms are in general very intimidating because when I use it on some of my clients, they always are like, what is this? Is it a lip balm? And I'm like, no, you can actually use this all over your face. I would compare it to like similar texture to a face oil. Just this is like a balmy texture, and I love using this on someone who has really dry skin. It also really works well on mature skin, or if you need something a little bit heavier like for nighttime, this is really beautiful. My next two products are hair products, and I'm really excited to share them with you. They are by R+Co, and they're designed by Jenny Jo, who is my friend and an amazing editorial hairstylist. She has the biggest clients in the business, and we share Amanda Seyfried together as a client. She's such a talented hairdresser, and I'm so excited for her that she had the opportunity to create a product with R+Co. I love these two products. I've been using them non-stop. I'm someone who actually really doesn't use a ton of hair products because I feel like when I use them, my hair sometimes looks too greasy, or I sometimes don't know what to do with hair products. So I usually just use conditioning spray and maybe a little bit of dry shampoo. But What I love about these two products, this guy here is the Dry Cleansing Conditioning Spray, and I've been using this on like my second or third day if I'm not washing my hair, and I just spray it into my roots, and it really just like makes my hair look like I've just washed it again, and it doesn't leave any sort of residue in my hair, and that's what I really like about it. It just gives it like a really fresh bounce. And the cotton texturizing balm is really beautiful on my ends after I've curled my hair, just to kind of like give life back into my hair and just to make it a bit more piecey and texturized. So both of them are really gorgeous. All right, the next product is a facial spray, which is by The Routes. I really love this brand. There are two beautiful women from Orange County. They have created a gorgeous skincare line. I really like all their products, but this particular product was just recently sent to me, and it's new in their range, and I love a mist. I love a mist when I get out of the shower before I put any skincare on, because it just kind of like refreshes me in the morning, and it opens up my pores, and I feel like my skin is ready for any kind of skincare I'm doing afterwards. And this particular spray has magnesium in it, and I feel like it has a beautiful sort of like cucumber smell to it. It has gorgeous ingredients. I really just love it in the morning for a great pick-me-up. The next product I would love to mention, one of my own products by Monika Blunder Beauty. It's our beloved hybrid cream brush. This is the outer packaging, and this is what it looks like in the inside. I personally love this brush. I love the shape of this brush. I designed this brush in intentions because me as a makeup artist, I've worked in this business over 20 years, and I've had a very similar brush like this in my makeup kit, and it was my most used brush of all times. And the reason why I created this brush is because I wanted to create something that is multifunctional, and that's why I called it a hybrid cream brush. Not only can you use it with my blender cover, it works really, really well for any kind of cream products such as cream blush. It works really well for contouring, or even for powders if you want to just use a powder in your T-zone or a powder in your contour. So I really love this brush, and I hope you guys do as well. All right, one more makeup product. I'm going to share with you guys my beloved Chantecaille lip liner in the shade Natural. The reason why I love this particular lip pencil so much is the texture of it and the color. Let's talk about the color first. It's just a perfect sort of like peachy pinky nude. It's the perfect like rosy Huntington whitely lip color that everyone is asking for. And I think it's really important that you choose a lip liner that has a beautiful texture. Some lip liners are too hard, so when you're applying them, they just like are really harsh on your lips, and some of them are too soft. So the texture for this pencil is perfection, and I love a lip liner. I think that they're so underrated. The reason why I like them is because you can really cheat and like add a bit more dimension and fullness to your lips. And I've been using so many lip liners the last year or the last 2 years because of COVID, because we're all wearing masks, and it's sometimes really hard to wear a ton of lip products because it just ends up on your mask anyway. And that's why I like the lip liner, because you put it on, it really stays put. So this is a great one. All right, my last product that I'm going to share with you guys is by Eve Lom. Eve Lom makes beautiful skincare. This particular product I'm loving. It's a toner, and I'm not someone who uses a ton of toners, but I used this maybe 2 months ago for the very first time, and I think I was just wearing a ton of makeup, and I really wanted my skin to be really clean, and this took everything off. My skin felt squeaky clean, and I was reading the ingredients, and it has some really amazing AHAs in it that are really gently chemically exfoliating your skin. So it's definitely not a product that you should use every single day, because I think it'll definitely strip your skin, but once or twice a week on those days when you are wearing a ton of makeup, or if you just feel like your skin needs a little bit of extra love, that's the product. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed all my latest favorites. These are some really great makeup and hair suggestions. As always, I love it when you guys leave me comments below and let me know what other videos you would like to see in the near future. I know I've not been shooting that much. I'm going to try to shoot more for you guys. So as always, it really helps me if you do subscribe and like. And I see you in the next video. Bye.